And stop. Are you ready to digest what I'm going to tell you something unbelievable about you? According to Global Overview Report 2024, an average American spends 7 hours and 3 minutes every day glued to an internet-connected screen. 7 hours, 3 minutes each day. What made us reach this point? Let's answer it from the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. He says in his book, if you cannot be at ease with yourself when you are alone, you will seek a relationship to cover up your unease. The author is exactly right about human behavior here. The main problem is that we are not spending time with ourselves. We are not letting that boredom compel us to have deep discussions with our mind. Those time gaps of boredom that had to be spent with our insightful thoughts have been stolen by shiny, attractive social media notifications. Now, I'm of course not against social media. It surely has changed the fabric of society. But apart from the basic facility of communicating with each other, we need to identify who is the beneficiary of those addictive algorithms. It's definitely not you and me. It's those giant tech companies who are bombarding advertisements to us hundreds of the times a day, making us feel incomplete until we buy their products. And by chance, if you are someone who has not watched the Netflix documentary The Social Dilemma, please do a favor to yourself and watch the documentary today. I hope that you might get yourself out of this mess. Please give this video a like if you have reached this far. See you soon.